With Tricked Out Cycles, and just wanted to show you this Honda CBR 1000RR. Customer came in, wanted to do a couple little things to make it pop a little more. So went with some powder coated wheels, front and rear. Did the hub as well on the other side. Also blacked out his foot pegs and did a little combination of the red on the heel guards and the shifter and hook. Now this customer also wanted a personalized light up windscreens. So if you've seen our windscreens before, this is one a customer had with their business logo put on. So if you're interested, want a unique light up windscreen for your bike, we offer them for sport bikes, metric cruisers, Harleys. You can do brand logos, or you could do your own riding logo, name, promote your business, or whatever it may be. This is tied into our multicolor kit that we also installed into his bike. So tell us what you think. Give us a call, whether it be lights. We also have our projection logo lights that will shoot the image onto the ground. So check us out, trickedOutCycles.com.